And hello guys, here is a quick tutorial of how to transfer software to the Ti-NspireApps CX2. So first what you do is you go to Google, type this in. I did already. Go here to Ti-NspireApps CX student software and then download either the Windows version or the version for the Macintosh. Notice it's a 30-day trial version, so it doesn't cost you anything. Now, be aware that it has to be the student software. It cannot be the computer link software that looks like this. This only works for the Ti-NspireApps CX1. So we're going to close this and not going to use it. So we already have downloaded the student software version now. So that's what we're gonna use. It looks like this. There's 5 buttons here on top. You need to be on this one with a magnifying glass to see these 2 windows. Now watch what happens on the bottom window when I connect my Ti-NspireApps to the computer. You hear the sound and the computer recognizes the calculator right here. And now all we need to do is we need to transfer our software that I have on my in my lib folder on the computer to the handheld by left mouse click, keep it pressed, drag it down, release, finished. The app was just successfully transferred to the Ti-NspireApps. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.